Hey, Ned here. Today we're going to be removing the lights from the front of the ambulance here. My friend Miles is joining me today, so we're going to see if those will come out without too much hassle. So it looks like it might just be 4 bolts coming from the light bar into the back of the ambulance here just behind the seats. So the 4 bolts came out, but the light bar is still attached. So I took one of the plates off here. I can't see how it's attached, but I did find a really cool block of LEDs in there, so that'll be fun to play around with. We spent some time trying to figure out how the light bar was attached. Maybe we had missed a bolt, or maybe there were some additional screws. We couldn't find any, and after a while we decided to see if maybe it was just held on with the weather stripping. It turned out this was the case, and with just a little bit of prying, the light bar came loose, and from there we just had to cut the wires that lead to it and carry it off the van. When I removed the Siren, I just cut these wires off. So I need to go through and cover them just in case power got to them so they won't short anything out. We've removed the top light bar and it just needs the holes covered. Now there's just the 2 red lights on the grille that I'm pretty sure have to come off for legal reasons. These front lights came off really easy. It's just another LED brick, just like the one we took out of the light bar. And then it looks like 2 screws holding this onto the grille on each side. A couple wires, so we're going to snip those. Now the red lights are removed from the front. For now I just sealed these with some duct tape and I'm going to call that good for right now, but I need to go up there, wash that, clean it up and make some sort of blanking plate that's proper for them. We wanted to go in and play around and see how bright these LEDs were, so I grabbed some jumpers that my dad had made for bridging glow plugs and used those to kind of jump through to the brick, and it's pretty bright. But for now, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, please subscribe and hit the like button, and I'll see you next time.